In this video I will be going to show you how to add any numbers like 2-digit number or 3-digit number with any other number very faster. Without pen and paper you can add this in mind itself. How we can do that? Let's see. Watch till end because I will be going to show you how to add 2-digit number and 3-digit number with different tricks. One or two tricks I will show you. This will be very helpful for you to solve the calculation very speed. Okay, let's say here we have 48 and 35. 48 and you will add this with 35 from normal method. By normal method what you are going to do, 8 plus 5 will do. 8 plus 5 is 13 and 1 carry will put here, and again what you will do, 4 plus 1 5 and you will add with 3. 5 plus 3 8. That 8 you will add and you will calculate like this approach. From right to left you will calculate, right? This is a normal method and this is a bad way of doing. I will show you the Vedic Maths trick here, how to calculate this faster. Okay, let's take 48. Initially I will going to teach you slowly because you need to understand this trick. 48 plus 35. If you are going to do this, what you need to do initially means just concentrate on this number. What you can observe here, 48 is going to round off with 50. 50 is the nearby value to 48, right? What you are adding here, plus 2. You are making 48 to 50. You are making 48 to 50 by adding 2. So make it 50 and add it with 35. If you do like this means, and if you go from left to right, how you can add 5 plus 3 8 and this 5 as it is. We got this 85. Whatever you have taken here plus 2, that you need to subtract here. That's it. 85 minus 2 83. See, this looks easier. Initially this looks easier and this looks tough, right? But if you are going to do with this method, definitely you will be going to achieve much more speed calculation. Believe me guys. Okay, just you need to follow this approach from now onwards and you can calculate, you can do around 200 or 300 problems like this. Then you will be going to become a pro in the calculation. Okay, let's don't waste time and I will show you with the next example. Here we have 197 plus 245. Just look at the number. Here you can round off to 200. Base numbers are like 50, 100, 150, 200, like this, 250, like this. Here we have 197. So you can do this with, you can make this 200 by what? By adding 3, right? You have made this 200 and this 245 you keep as it is. And next step you need to calculate from left to right. That is 2 plus 2 4, this 4 as it is and this 5 as it is. Here you have added plus 3, that you need to subtract here. What you will get? 442. 442 is the answer. See, think like if you are doing this with the normal method, it's very hectic, right? 197 plus 245. You need to take this numbers look scary, this 9 7 and all. 7 plus 5 you need to do some number here, it will come and again it will carry over here, this and all. It looks complicated. Just you need to convert this to round off value and add it with left to right approach, and whatever you added that number you need to subtract here to get the answer. That's it. Simple, right? Let's move on to the next question. When to apply round off and when to not apply, I will show you. Don't worry, that also. Let's take this example. 64 plus 28 we have. 64 plus 28. This 28 round off to 30 and this 64 as it is you keep. What you have added, 28 to 30 means you have added here 2. That you need to remember. This 2 you have added. Okay, go from left to right approach. 6 plus 3 9, this 4 as it is and this 2 and this 2 we have, this you need to minus here. We got 92 as answer. Simple, right? Next here I will show you different trick. Here we have 3 digit. But here you can see that 430 we have 4 and here we have 380. Like if you try to convert this to 400 and this to 400, it will be like messy. It's look a little bit tough, right? So don't do like this. Instead of this, I will show you another trick here. What you can do means 430 we have. What you can do 430 means 400 plus 30. You can do it like this, right? What you can do here 380 we have. 300 plus 80. Just split like this. Now same trick you apply, like from left to right rule. That is 4 plus 3 7. This 2 zeros as it is. Here 8 plus 3 11. Just add these two numbers. That's it. 700 plus 110. What you will get? 810. This is the answer. Like this you can calculate easily. Let's see the next question. See here 556 we have. See, by looking at this number you can directly round off it to 300 by adding 1. Okay. Now we have added here 1, that you need to remember. So 299 we converted to 300. Just go from left to right approach. 5 plus 3 8. This 5 as it is. This 6 as it is. We have added this one, so we need to subtract with 1. What will get? 855. This is the answer. Think of doing with normal method. 556 plus 299. 9 plus 6 15. Again you need to take carry here. 9 plus 1 10. Again 5 carry. 5 we have 15. Again we need to take carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. This is a bad way of doing. This is a right approach. Okay. Let's look into this example very carefully. Here I will be going to show you very easy trick. Okay. Just look at this example. Here we have 765. 765 we cannot round off to any number. Like 800 if you take, again we need to subtract that. Those things will get this and all. It will be time wasting. So what you need to do instead here means 765 we have, right? Split this, as I have said in the earlier question. Split this 700 plus 60 plus 5. Here we have 188, right? 188 we have. You cannot round off this number because 188 here it is there. You need to round off to base values like 200. I said na, 150, 200, 250, 300 like that. But here it is in between. 188 is in between. So just go with this approach. 188, how can you do? 100 plus 80 plus 8. Just add this. 700 plus 100, 800, right? Here 8 plus 6, 140. Again here 8 plus 5, 13. Just add these three. 800, I will show you here. 800 plus 140 plus 13. Go from left to right again here. 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 1 5, this 3 as it is. 953 is the answer. Like this you need to calculate the addition if the number is not nearer to round off value. If the number is nearer to round off value, like 299, you can round off to 300. Like this if you have, then you can go with this approach. If you don't have the number that is nearly equal to round off number, then you can go with this approach. This approach also, if you practice around 50 to 60 questions, then you will going to solve much more faster. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my video. I will bring more and more like these tricks in upcoming videos. If you please subscribe my channel, then I will be definitely going to bring much more Vedic Maths tricks, and I will be going to show you how to calculate multiplication, square, cube, everything much more faster. Thank you.